Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G200 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it would be Google Chrome, and now all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. So let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. I know that it does not look like the three dots icon, but after tapping on it you can see that for sure we've got a three dots icon. So let's tap on it, enter the history, and as you can see this is the list of all previously visited websites. So if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button, but if your list is so wide, much more wide than mine, then I highly recommend to tap on clear browsing data in order to do it automatically. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookie site and site data, and cache images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything, and we can change the time range from last hour to last 7 days, for example. So let's tap on clear data if you're ready, and as you can see we just got back to the history, which is right now empty, and it means that we just successfully removed everything. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your MOTOROLA Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.